Personally, I think it's one of the best looking new buildings in Southampton. Architecturally, it stands out.
Cumberland Place, it was a very key project for the architect and the client.
The building itself is a high-level student accommodation building built to a high specification.
When we received the concept drawings, there were a lot of details that the architect wanted to focus on. Elevation facing the road to create depth to the facade, window reveals. We overcame a technical issue where we combined the G-brick with metal flashings. Part of the regulation was using galvanised channel as a cavity barrier.
This project had many challenges, and one of which was the sloping reveal details, and it built up a mutual understanding and a trust partnership that's enabled us to work on mutually beneficial projects and making sure that the product is not just installed to a high standard, but also all the other criteria for being a part of our approved installer network is met.
So I think one of the benefits of T&T is that because they know the system, they can take that design and develop it themselves, so that worked very well. It's a very popular brick, but because it's so textured, you're quite hard to point it, so T&T's experience lended themselves to be able to deliver it as it looks now.
One of the key interfacing details was the louvers. The strip curtain walling has got open-in vents. When these are open, the louvers have to provide guarding. It was something that took a lot of engineering expertise.
So the relationship we have with T&T now has been in place for 3 years. We engaged with them very early in the project. So we manufactured all of the doors, windows and facade systems on the project. Using the metal technology range of products, we had to get the detail in the manufacturing sequence of the curtain wall elements with the louvered panels in front of them. That was quite a tricky detail that required quite careful coordination between all parties to make sure that the manufacturing sizes, the louver sizes, the associated bracketry and support systems went together properly and appropriately.
The lower ground floor, lots of heavy glass, weighing about 1/4 of a tonne, so we had to get special access and logistics to be able to install that glass. The curtain walling at the very top of the building had high wind loads, lots of engineering went into that for reinforced transoms and mullions. Due to the student accommodation environment, we have to look at multiple interfacing trades, security cameras, lighting, access control. These are all things that we've got to coordinate within our facade and digest it to make sure the function works for the end user client.
We have to focus on compliance, the value engineered solution and an aesthetically pleasing solution, and trying to put all those challenges together is where we excel.
We've worked on several schemes with them now, couldn't recommend them highly enough.
I think it's something we can all stand back with and be proud of the finished project.
I think it looks stunning and is a credit to both organisations.
We want the students that are occupying the building to live a happy life and enjoy the building like we've enjoyed building it.